Hey, what's going on, guys? Tonight we're going to be replacing the heater core in the old truck. The 3 mounting nuts are already gone on the firewall, so the whole deal is just a little bit loose there anyway. So the other night I came in, and you'll see I got the entire dash wiring harness pulled out. I think we're going to go ahead and replace the wiper motor while we've got it out, because he's got a brand new one. He also has a painless wiring harness kit for this truck. The wiring harness for under the hood is long gone, and also the harness that goes from the cab to the back of the truck to the taillights, it's long gone as well. But let me show you the old wired harness that I pulled out of here the other night, and then we'll get to replacing the heater core. Here's what's left of the factory wiring harness. I mean, it wasn't in really too bad a shape, but the rest of it, the under the hood and under the bed, those wiring harnesses were pretty shot, if I'm remembering correctly. And might as well just go ahead and replace it all, because I mean, this stuff's 54 years old, so might as well just get it done. It'll replace all the switches, it'll replace everything in the truck. And this is kind of interesting right here, the fuse panel, where someone was trying to add in circuits, because I mean, look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses in the whole truck from the factory, and I don't know what's going on there. It looked like someone was trying to, man, I don't know if it'll focus in on that or not, but that's unusual. I don't know what's going on there. It looks like they were trying to jump the fuse from one side to the other. I don't know, who knows. And then they had soldered in a connector for that side. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but all that stuff's going to be replaced with the new wiring harness from Painless, and it'll have a lot more circuits in there, a lot more availability for 12-volt outlets and accessories and things like that. So let's jump in and let's start taking that heater core out. Okay, I've already got the hoses off from up under the dash, I guess the defrost ducts. Let me see how this comes off. I guess I need to take these little clips off here. Another one. And there's one up top. I'll have to dig that one out, I believe. Not too bad. Let's see if she'll come out. Okay. Wow, that thing's full of pine needles. I'm gonna mark these with a paint pen. That way I'll know which one goes where. Okay, now I should be able to take these off. Oh, that's broke anyway. Huh. Well, that needs to be replaced. Thing's full of leaves and pine needles. And it's not as bad as I was thinking, but there is some trash in there that we need to get gone. Here, let me go empty this thing out and I'll be right back. Okay. that makes it easier. Okay. There we go. That's better. Well, it doesn't look like it's been leaking or anything. It is clogged up with trash. Well, I've already got the new one, so I know my luck. I'll put this whole thing back together and then that thing will spring a leak. Let's see here. Looks like it's bent. Why would it be bent? There we go. Let me go clean this thing out. Alrighty. It's not good. Those pipes are rubbing on that steel. Yeah, that thing's I don't think I'm liking the way that fits. That steel's going to wind up rubbing a hole right through that aluminum in no time. Huh. See how this one was fitting in there. Just for giggles. Well, what have I done here? There we go, that fits a little better. Well, what did I do with my clip again? There it is. Let's see how that fits. Yeah, that fits a lot better. I think we're going to stay with that. So, like I was saying, old parts are better than new parts. Anyway. So, we are just going to stick with this old one and hope that it doesn't leak. I'm just not happy with that, so we're just going to send it back. Anyway, well, at least I was able to clean the mess out of here, so that's one good thing. And also this insulation board is fairly rotten, coming apart, so we're going to go ahead and pull it out and replace it with something else later on. Uh-oh. There we are. There we go. Alright, that's going to be it for tonight. I'm going to leave the heater box out because I'm going to come back in and put some sound deadening on the firewall. And I guess I'll have to replace that one cable for the heater controls. And I also am probably going to replace the wiper motor while we've got it out, because he's got a brand new one in the box over there. And I don't think there's going to be a better time to replace it than right now, because nothing is really in the way. And once I get everything put all back together, I mean, everything's going to be in the way. So it's one of those things that's, while you're here, might as well do it. So, all right, guys, just a couple of days later, I went ahead and dropped the motor off to Atlanta Speed Shop on Monday. Hopefully they'll have it back to me within a few days. It's Wednesday today. I don't expect to get it back this week, but if they did get it back this week, that'd be awesome. But I'm really kind of planning on it being next week sometime. I went ahead and I ordered a new firewall insulation kit, and I did talk to my dad. He said that he did replace the heater core in this thing at some point, and that kind of explains why that one looked so good. It didn't look 50 years old to me. And this boot right here, it's still nice and pliable. It's not old and hard and everything, so I'm sure he went ahead and replaced that at the same time that he replaced that heater core. But he did say that for some reason he had to bypass the heater core, and now that I've taken all this stuff out and I realized that that cable is broken, that's probably why. I bet the heat was stuck on wide open, and he just had to bypass the heater core to get it to shut off. So right now we're on a waiting game. I'm waiting on, like I said, the firewall insulation kit before I can put everything back together. I'll probably go ahead and swap that wiper motor out like I was talking about before. Yeah, we're just waiting on stuff to happen so we can move forward, or waiting on stuff to get here so we can move forward, let me say that. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I hope you check back in with us next time. So go ahead. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.